My name is Yankee. I'm trying to keep it. It's pretty simple. You just put your foot in Aldi. Anywhere in this area you can put your back foot. It doesn't really matter. And for me, I like to level out the skateboard. Instead of putting it right here or right there, it levels out kind of. So I just kind of put it in the middle and put it right there in the middle of the board. Then when I do it, when I pop, at the same time, you want to flick your foot up. Then towards the end, when you see it start flipping a lot, you want to push out, and then you just kind of catch it. But you don't want to turn your body, because that's what I did when I started trying to do them. And then I kept landing like this, and if you do that, that means you're not flipping enough, so you just got to keep flipping it and stay with the board.